What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with NIA Body Kits here. And today we're going to be installing this new NIA Spoiler B2 on this sexy Lexus RC. Stay tuned. But before, let me tell you a little bit about NIA Body Kits.
At NIA, we design and build high-quality, handcrafted body kits right here in Miami, Florida. From sketches to screen, our founder Kevin works closely with our CAD designers to shape every detail by hand. Each piece is specifically designed for each model, thermoform for durability, and CNC cut to perfection. Our kits are made to bolt on in minutes, with an exclusive reinforcement that guarantees durability and toughness. Every piece is hand-finished and available in primer, gloss black, color-matched options, and real carbon fiber. Before shipping, we paint correct each kit to ensure a flawless finish. Plus, our customer service team works alongside our engineers and designers to give you the best experience possible. Our kits are also guaranteed to ship out within weeks, not months. If you're looking for a premium, American-made body kit built with precision, NIA has you covered. Check us out at niaautodesign.com.
All right, so the new V2 spoiler comes completely flush, covering your old Lexus badge, and with the optional new Lexus lettering on the back. This is optional, you can get it, and if you like to get it, we offer it in chrome or in black. We offer the kit already painted, or you can paint it yourself, getting it in primer. Now, for the back, we already have the double-sided tape 3M already applied to it to give it a nice, easy installation. We have the hole made for your indentation here. And if you have the F Sport model, the holes already come with the thread, so you can install using the same factory bolts that come with the F Sport model. In this case, this is the base model, and the customer did not want to drill holes, so we're just going to use the double-sided tape.
Inside your kit, we've included gloves to keep your hands clean, an adhesion promoter to ensure the spoiler bonds perfectly, alcohol wipes to prepare the surface. You'll also want to have a couple of extra tools on hand, some masking tape to help align your spoiler, and a small spatula to safely remove your OEM rear emblem without damaging the paint. Once you've got all your tools ready, you're set for a smooth, professional installation that looks like it came straight from the factory.
All right, so step one, we need to remove the old Lexus badge, and that's just double-sided taped on, so plastic spatula will do it. Okay, so now we want to wipe down all the residue of the 3M double-sided tape. I'm using some pre-clean. Any alcohol-based substance could work, and just wipe it off. Now that everything's nice and clean, you're going to present the spoiler. And now you're going to mark where you're going to put the adhesion promoter with the yellow tape. This will give me a guide on where I need to clean and put the adhesion promoter, so I don't put it in the wrong place. So just basically use it as a trace. So I only trace the top because on the side is right on the edge. The same thing on the bottom. I know it's all around the edge, so no need to trace that. Let's get started. Okay, so now that you've traced your part, you're gonna get the alcohol wipe included in your packet, and we're just gonna clean it to remove any surface wax on your paint. By removing any surface wax, it will ensure a nice and secure adhesion with the 3M double-sided tape. If you do wax your car constantly, make sure you scrub extra hard. If you put ceramic coat, same thing, make sure you wipe extra hard. You want to get rid of all the wax, you know, quick detailers, wax, a lot of car washes, all that includes wax in it. So you don't go around twice, you can never be too sure. Okay, after you've wiped it down with alcohol, we want to fold all the double-sided tape backing so you have access for it through the back. You're gonna notice in the center is cut, so you just want to, every single seam, fold it back. On the edges, the same thing. Just fold it back. Now that you have all the double-sided tape backing folded up, you're gonna get your 3M adhesion promoter and your protective glove, put it on, and we're gonna wipe it right around the edge where the double-sided tape goes on. All right, we put the 3M adhesion promoter, so now we're gonna put the spoiler, make sure all the backings are folded up, and we're gonna align it as best as you can. All right, so this is very critical because you wanna make sure everything is aligned. So make sure that you have the same amount of gap on both sides, and make sure that all the tabs that you removed on the edges are reachable. Once everything is aligned, you always want to start from the middle to iron everything out. If you start on the edges, you're going to cause that accordion effect and you're going to leave a gap in the middle. So always start from the middle. And I like to lift the trunk up just so you have a better vision if it's sticking on correctly. So there we go. So we start in the middle, and little by little, peel it out. So you open it up, and now we're gonna do the middle in the back, and the same concept goes. So it's very important, you want to iron everything out. And we're going to go back and forth till we reach all the way to the end. That's it. Now we're gonna remove the guide tape. Voila! Once the double-sided tape is secure, you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus RC. If you have any questions, comment below. We'll always get back to you guys. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks again, guys. Hope to see you on the road.